Guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we'll see how to install the latest version of Python in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First open your favorite browser and search for the Python and just hit enter. Then you will get the python.org, the official website for the Python. Click on this link. Now here we have the download button. Just click on the download and you will get the latest version, that is 3.13.5. So just click on this download button and it will start automatically downloading. So you can see we have downloaded. Now let's open it and install it. So this is an exe file. So to install it we just need to double click on that file and it will ask us what you need to install, the customized installation or the normal one. So we'll go with the normal, and here we have two checkbox. First one is use admin privileges when installing the Pi, and add the external variable path. So we'll check this, we'll select this checkbox and we'll just click on the install now. So we have done a successful installation. Now let's close. Let's check Python is installed or not. For that, go to the command prompt and type Python space -v and just hit enter. So you can see Python is installed, or you can just type Python -v, capital V, and it will show you the version of Python which we have